Hi everyone, my name is Kunjal Deliwala. I am the Sales Solutions Engineer here at QMetry. Now today I will walk you through the profiles section. What is a profile and how you can utilize profiles within QMetry Automation Studio. Now, profile is nothing but the capabilities of the platform that you can configure and multiple capabilities that you can change. And during the execution, you can select a specific capability that you want the test case to be executed upon. So, profiles can be used at two different places. One is while you are dry running a single test case, and the other is while you are executing the entire test cycle. So let's say you navigate to the test plan where you already have a test case that has already been created and you want to perform a dry run. So if you click on dry run, you will need to select the profile, which means a platform where you want this particular test case to be executed upon. The other place is if you navigate inside the test cycle, and then you inside the test cycle you create one or multiple jobs. So while creating a job you will provide the name, and this is again where you will utilize the profile. You can select one profile on which you want this entire job to execute upon. So these are two different places where you will utilize profiles, which is the dry running of a test case and executing of the entire test cycle. Now there is also one way where you can manage profiles and create new profiles. So if you navigate on the bottom, if you navigate to the project settings and if you click on manage profiles, this is where you can manage all different profiles. So if you click on the create button, this is where you can create a new profile. So let's say that I want to create a Chrome incognito profile. I will select the profile type. Now we do support Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Android, iOS for mobile, API, Windows, all different profile types. And then you need to select the platform, which means let's say you have all your automation scripts and you want to execute it on some other platform like Lambda Test, Sauce Labs, Browser Stack, and so on. So we do support different platforms where you can perform your execution. And if you don't want to utilize any other platform, you can execute the automation scripts locally as well. So this is how you can create new profiles, and these are the profile types and the platforms that we support. So once you enter all the details, you click on the create button to create a new profile. Now, once this profile has been created, you can enable and disable it based on your requirement. Let's say I'm enabling it for now. And I want to manage and have some additional capabilities and customize this Chrome incognito profile. In order to do that, I will navigate inside the Chrome profile, and this is where I will have all my customization of this particular profile. Meaning, if you can see you can provide a base URL that you want to perform your web automation on. Then you can enable, disable whether you want screenshots at failure only or even at success steps. You can customize the profile settings here inside each profile. And let's say that you want to have some additional capabilities on top of all these that have already been provided by QMetry Automation Studio out of the box. Let's say there are some additional capabilities. So if you click on this additional capabilities and if you click on some Chrome options, this is where you can pass some keys and values to it and you can customize your profile. Let's say that I want to pass some arguments. And inside each argument, let's say I want to have start maximized as an argument and I want to pass that. Another key could be like, let's say this is an incognito mode. So I want to have the incognito capability as well. So I can have the incognito capability added. So you will be able to see that the values are automatically populated. Now, anytime, let's say that you do not want to utilize the capability and you want to again further modify, you can completely delete the options that you just created. And in this way, you can actually customize the entire profile that you are going to utilize at the time of the test execution. So this is how you can create profiles and utilize the profiles, customize your profiles, and utilize these profiles at the time of test execution. Thank you so much for watching.